On December 6, 2023, the National Bank of Ukraine issued a new circulation commemorative coin. Joint Forces Command of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. This 10 Hryvnia coin honors the strategic level command responsible for coordinating multi-branch military operations. The obverse matches the standard 10 Hryvnia coin from 2018, featuring the denomination year and Ukrainian coat of arms. The reverse displays the emblem of the Joint Forces Command, a traditional Cossack mace, mintage, over 2-cross sabers, symbolizing Ukraine's historic military valor. The coin was designed by Tetiana Baluta's reverse with sculpting by Volodymyr Demyanenko's obverse. It weighs 6.4 grams, has a diameter of 23.5 mm, and is made of a zinc-based alloy with a nickel coating. A total of 10 million coins were minted, including 500,000 in special souvenir packaging. These coins are legal tender and will gradually enter circulation. Special souvenir rolls contain 25 coins each, with a total of 20,000 rolls available for collectors through the National Bank's online store and partner banks.